right, so now we're gonna get into this. So canyon carving, having a great time, going all over the place. Holy crap. Watch out, there's traffic.
Oh non. Oh putain. Putain, désolé monsieur.
Oh man, what a day, what a day. Woo!
Putain.
What a day. All right, so right here, I want this to be known that we're hauling booty. 81 kilometers, miles, whatever you want to do. It's in the higher upper ranges. We're not really focused on safety because, man, we're in and out of oncoming traffic, utilizing 2 lanes like it's our own personal track. And this is where you can get super hurt. So watch this. Just picking up speed, going through traffic. Look at, we're oncoming traffic lane. We're setting up for the outside, inside, outside, but we're utilizing the wrong lane. If you need this much lane to make a turn like that, you're in a bad spot. You should not be doing that on the road. Now take a look at the road. You got tar snakes, possible debris. We're going super inside. That's why I don't like going inside on random roads like this, especially in the mountains, because the inside portions like that, basically the edges of the road, have a lot of debris. So be very careful with that. Then now we start to see vehicles here. So we have to make this turn. That's a low side. We pushed it a little too hard. And this is exactly what I was talking about when it came to the track. And you have that big runoff. This is the perfect example of it. Big runoff on the track. No runoff here. Possible hit from a vehicle. Thankfully, he slowed down enough. And the bike actually hit the vehicle. So the bike hit the vehicle, but that could easily be your body. Your body would just go underneath it. This bike kind of stopped it like it's a wheel chock, but your body would go underneath it. And it doesn't matter what kind of gear you got crush injuries and you're pretty much done. He's gonna have to deal with insurance. He's gonna have to deal with getting a new bike. He's gonna have to deal with getting new gear. He's gonna have to deal with the embarrassment of it. He's got to deal with how angry this person could be. They could be suing you for civil liabilities. This person could have had whiplash. This person could have had injuries from the airbag, seatbelt, could have had tons of injuries. And then on top of that, there could have been a passenger. There could have been 2 people in the back seat. So now you got 4 people suing you because you wanted to go fast. And yes, this is America. People sue each other. Okay?
Oh non. Oh putain.
But thankfully, there's one person and they're not hurt.
Oh putain de merde.
The gear did help him. The gear saved him. Click the link in the description to enter to win hundreds of dollars in Revzilla gift cards. We're doing this every single month. So if you don't win right now, you can possibly win next month. But if you sign up as a tier 1 to tier 4, you get my ebook for free too. Check it out. Link is in the description. Link is in the description. Click, click, click. Link in description.